Cindy Theriault, the owner and principal designer at Balanced Interiors. I launched my business here in Meredith in 2018. I help active, wellness-minded people transform their homes to mirror the value of living a fit and healthy lifestyle. It's important to know that in our homes, what we surround ourselves with impacts us physically, emotionally, and mentally. You may know that Americans spend 90% of our time indoors, which is a shame really, because surrounding ourselves with nature and other living things really impacts our health in a positive way. While I don't carry products specifically, I do like to shop locally, both to support my neighbors and also because with interior design, it's important to see and touch and feel the things that you're going to surround yourself with. I like doing business in Meredith because the people that flock here tend to be outdoor oriented, and I like to bring that outdoor magic into my designs. So if you'd like to make your home a healthier place to be, give me a call. I can be reached at 603-273-1690. I look forward to speaking with you.